So today we got oranges, lemon, turmeric, and ginger. Let's get it. So my oranges are almost done thanks to my beautiful peel machine. Whole bag almost empty. I'll play it in real time so you see how it works. All done. That was literally like 1 minute. Almost done with our lemons. Hit it. Oh yeah. Almost done. Oh yeah. Make the job easy. Wow, do you see the thickness of that juice? That delicious, scrumptious citrus juice? My. And I was able to make almost 3 liters of this delicious citrus juice. Tune in for more juice recipes because I got them coming. Stay blessed.